Wow, what is this? Let's take a look. Let's go, guys. Whoa, what is this? Oh, it's Sarge. Nice. Beautiful.
Thanks for the help, Corporal.
Anything for one of Poc's mates.
How about the other cup? Wow. Who is this? Oh, it's Tomato. Beautiful.
That whole thing about me not stopping no matter what. I knew I should have done carry on.
Thanks, old boy.
You got it, Mace. Hey, doggone it, look.
Let's go the other cup. Whoa. It's Lightning McQueen. Nice. Nice, guys.
Overreact. It's just a slump. We'll get him next week. Okay, that's enough. No comment.
Not even about Cal Weathers retiring?
Wait, what?
Cal Weathers. He's hanging up his light years.
How about this one? Wow. Oh, wow. It's Cruz Ramirez. Nice. Nice.
Need someone to stand in for, like a sparring partner.
I'm not so sure. Not a racer, just a trainer.
Go ahead and gun it.
Oh, yeah.
How about this one? Oh, it's Sally. Beautiful.
Back.
I fell in love.
Oh.
Let's go the other cups. How about this one? Wow. Chick Hicks. Nice. Beautiful.
Welcome back to Chick Picks with Chick Hicks. I'm your host, former and forever Piston Cup champion, Chick Hicks.
How about this one? Wow. Dino King. Ooh. Dino King without his spoiler. Nice. Beautiful.
Ooh-wee, that was one close finish. You sure made Dinoco proud. Thank you, King.
Well, Tex, you've been good to me all these years. It's the least I could do.
Whatever happens, you're a winner to me, you old daddy rabbit.
Thanks, dear. Wouldn't be nothing without you.
How about this one? Wow, it's Lizzie. Lizzie. Oh, beautiful.
But oh, he was a persistent little bugger for a two-cylinder.
And then, how about this one? Who is this? Oh, It's Jackson Storm. Oh. Nice, guys. Very nice.
It's Jackson's Storm for the win! A huge upset!
Either lightning or...
Let's go the other cubs. Who is this? Wow, nice. Wow. Fillmore. Nice.
Is everything okay? If you're worried about your fuel, man, don't. It's perfectly safe.
No.
Let's go the other cars. Who is this? Whoa. It's Flo. Oh, beautiful.
That Francesco is fine looking.
And those open wheels.
Ooh, I'm gonna have to go get myself some coolant.
How about this one? Whoa. It's Ramone. Oh. Ramone. Low and slow. Beautiful.
You can't race in primer, man. Come on, let's go.
Ramone, you have done it again.
It's like the Sistine Chapel.
How about the last cup? Let's check it. Oh, it's Luigi. Ah, nice. Luigi. Is there any? Oh, got one more. Oh, it's Guido. Beautiful. Nice. Nice, man.
No. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye. Guido, can you believe them?
Paparazzi.
Alright guys, thank you for watching. See you on next video. Bye bye.